Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you this cute little kit that I've just been gifted by a wonderful company, and I will link them down below for you. So they do lots of different things, including this and this, so lots of different little kits, and they are so beautiful. And I popped this up on my community page and asked you guys which one you prefer to see, and a lot of you said the sunflowers. So this is what we get in the kit. All the colours that we need, as well as some other bits and bobs. So I'm just going to open it up. So we've got all these lovely colours. Oh, they feel very, very soft and lovely to hold. I really like this. This is a lovely texture. So soft to work with. A lot of cotton yarns, when you're working with them, they can be quite rough. And this feels really nice and soft. Doesn't seem to be splitting too much. It's a little bit of a split, but that's only if you twist it quite a lot. That's really nice. And we've got a nice little pack here that has some bits and bobs in that I'm going to need. Fab. And this is, I'm guessing, the little, yeah, there we go, there's the pattern. So we've got the pattern in there. Nice little package of stuffing. And what is this? Let's have a little look. Oh, okay, so this is all your basic stitches that you need to learn to be able to do this. So it teaches you how to do the chain. Well, this is a fantastic little booklet. So how to hold the yarn, how to hold the hook, how to chain, working into the chain, a magic ring, single crochet, double crochet, crocheting together. There we go, look at that, that's fantastic, especially for beginners. So as it says, handicrafts crochet kit for beginners, which is obviously perfect for beginners if you don't know what you're doing yet. And it's got the hook sizes to use for the different types of yarn. Oh, and the conversions from UK to US. And all the different types of abbreviations, so you can read the pattern as well. So let's have a little look in here. So we've got 4 little stitch markers and a yarn needle. We've got some wire. And we've got some green wire as well. And then we've got 2 hooks, well, essentially 3 hooks, as this is double-ended. So this is a 1mm and this is a 2mm, and then we've also got a 2.5mm hook. So I'm not too sure why we've got this many. Let's have a little look at this and see what it says in here. Oh, and fab. And it says here that you've got please scan the QR code of the purchase product to view the video tutorials for further learning how to make your very own doll. That's fab. So they've also got the video tutorials to help you along, all written in US terminology. So here it says cotton yarn materials, cotton yarn, crochet hook, 2.5mm hook, which will be this one. So I'm not too sure why we've got this one just yet, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. But it is a fantastic little hook to have. I've never had one that is double-ended before, so I'm excited to have that one. Let's get started and see how this works up. Okay, so I didn't figure out exactly why we had the double-ended hook, but I like it, and so that's a plus. Is it beginner friendly? I would say more of an advanced beginner, because you need the right tension for it. And putting it together is a bit difficult, but if you did want to give it a go, then they do have the video tutorials, so they are very, very helpful. At the time of filming this, the price for these is £10.57, and I have the discount code which is 15% off, and so I think the price is great, especially for Christmas presents as well. Okay, so I will admit, at this point where I had to put the wire into the leaves, I did have to go into the YouTube videos that they have for it. But that's the best part about this kit, is that it does have little YouTube tutorials on each individual part of it. So if you are a beginner and you do want one of these kits, then I definitely suggest watching the YouTube videos to get an idea of how to do it. And they do go very slowly, it's wonderful. Another really cute little thing that I love about these patterns and these little kits is if you check on the website, they have like a little story behind each kit. So with this one, it says Meet Sunflower Sunny. In a charming little village nestled at the foot of a towering mountain range, there lived a beautiful and cheery sunflower named Sunny. Sunny was not an ordinary sunflower, she was extraordinary in every way. Her golden petals were like rays of sunshine. Her vibrant round face always turned towards the sun, as if she were sharing its warmth and light with the world. How cute is that? I think that's adorable. And each pattern has their own little story. So even if you're not thinking of buying one right now, go and check out the little stories. They're really cute. Okay guys, so I've now finished this and I am really loving it. I think it's so cute. I think the only fiddly thing to do really was sewing the soil to the basket when you've got the stems already in. But other than that, I think it was, yeah, a really cute little pattern and a wonderful little kit as well, especially for I wouldn't say necessarily for beginners because it is quite fiddly, and with beginners I think you want more of a kind of bigger hook and thicker yarn, but definitely if you're looking for Christmas presents for anyone who you know who crochets, I think these are absolutely perfect. They are so cute and the yarn is wonderfully soft. If you want to get your own, I have a discount code for you and I will pop that just here. And you can head over to the website, the link will be in the description box. Definitely give it a go guys, there's so many lovely different patterns and different kits on there, and they just brighten up the room. I think they're lovely. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.